Hello, welcome back. This is Denise B. Povernick, and I am the CEO of Secret Weapon, and I am an energetic experience alchemist. I help you get out of your mind and into the truth of your personal experience. And I am here today with the wonderful Invincible CEO clients, and with me today right now is Ron Rossnick. So I'm going to let Ron introduce himself and share all about his company.
Hi, I'm Ron Rossnick. I am one of the founders of VRR Media Productions, and we create two TV talk shows that help people be their best, that become unstoppable in their own way. So we have subject matter experts that come on our show and talk about their expertise. Could be personal expertise on divorce, domestic violence, healthcare, just on awakening your spirit and your energy to be able to be your best for business and for personal reasons. We have shows that are in over 25 states around the country and over 26 countries worldwide right now.
Oh, that's awesome. Congrats. Congrats.
Thank you.
So I'm thrilled that you're able to be with me today. And as we can see, it appears that you are on vacation. You're enjoying some downtime. So thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to do this. It's always
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm in an RV.
I see it. That's awesome. That's awesome.
In Cape Cod.
Yeah.
Just relaxing, and I don't get to do this often, so I had to really force myself to carve out time to take a vacation and kind of like just recharge myself. And I feel very blessed to be able to do it and be out in Cape Cod, Massachusetts today.
So thank you so much for carving this little time out for us to have this conversation. We've now been working with each other for about 2 months. Yeah. And you haven't been in a group program, but we do work one-on-one together. So what I'm looking to have you share today is what it's been like for you working with me, what makes how we work together different than what you've experienced in the past if you worked with other coaches or mentors. So I'll let you share.
So I really have a synergy that occurred when we started communicating that I haven't had before, because my awareness of the gifts that I already possess became more sensitive, more heightened. The stress that I have had in the past kind of like dissipated in a way. Like I don't sweat the small stuff as much, and I value the bigger picture, the bigger goal of life, the bigger goal for my energy and the energy that I create in my circle to be available for love, for peace, for joy, for happiness. And I could do all the things I did in the past, make the money I need to make, provide for my family, but energetically, like literally like on a new playing field.
Awesome. So what do you feel has been some of your biggest aha moments as we've worked together?
Aha moments, I guess there have been so many. I can't really even point to just one. If I said one singular aha moment, I'm not sure I would do the totality of this experience justice, because I think there's aha moments every single moment when I feel a stressful moment, just as my kids have interrupted during this discussion we've had, like with their little sense of urgency, like that's the most important thing that they're doing. And I didn't let that get to me. I didn't blow up about it. I know that they have their own space that they're working within, and their excited energy doesn't have to be mine. So I think one of the aha moments is I'm responsible for how I respond to any condition or situation. So if flames are coming out of the sky during this crazy nebula, there's some cosmic event going on right now. I forgot the name of it, Personas or something like that, and the height of it is last night and today. And so if the sky's on fire, my head's not on fire, I could still continue to do the things that I need to do to be my best. If my amygdala response is all charged and I'm in panic mode, I'm not going to be thinking clearly. One, two, I'm not going to have my heart energy in place, which is where my decisions need to be made.
Yeah.
I'm a critical thinker. Really value education and science most of my life above everything else. And now I'm learning to balance the science that I know, the technical knowledge that I've used to create success in my life with what I've always had, but what I haven't really awakened. With your help, I'm awakening this I guess I could call it an intuition, an inner knowledge, my gut.
Hmm.
Some people call it a gut.
Yes.
I'm letting go of fear, and for me, fears can come up any moment. And now I redefine it. Fear is, for me, stands for false evidence appearing real. So
Yep.
we have real fears that we may need to react to. If the tiger is chasing us, then we have to react. But
Yeah.
if the simulated tiger is chasing us, we don't
Yeah.
have to react that way anymore. And I think,
That's awesome.
again, I think the biggest takeaway is knowing that I can respond at my own pace and I don't have to
Yeah.
match someone's panicky response for me to be
Yeah.
my best.
Awesome. So, do you feel that after, because we meet once a week and we're doing this virtually over Zoom, do you feel a return on your investment of your time after each session that you can walk away and put something into motion?
And that's a really challenging question for most people to pose to me because time is my most important quality, my most important commodity, I should say.
Yes, yes,
And
yes,
I really do value my time, and even spending time with you now
yes.
needs to have some ROI. And I've gotten so much ROI from you, Denise, that
Hmm.
I feel like I can give you hours of my time right now, and I'm still way ahead of the game of
Right,
sharing
right.
my time. So
Yeah,
if my time right now is spent with you, and someone watches this or someone experiences something that helped them up their life, go up
yeah,
the next level,
yes.
then my time is well worth spent because I think
Awesome.
one of my commitments is to humanity.
Yes,
So if
yes,
I can be on the same path with other human beings, upping my level, then that's worth my time. But
yes.
what I used to do is speak onto deaf ears. I used to talk to
Right.
people that I felt needed my support, my knowledge, my wisdom, my boost, my Tony Robbins speeches. And I've learned to just kind of cut them off. If they're not deserving or ready for my time,
Ready.
then
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not going to give them my time. So anyone that's really ready, I will give it to them. But if they're not,
Awesome.
that's what I took away also from
Yes.
our sessions together.
Hmm.
The other really important thing I want to add, Denise, is you've helped me create awareness. I know about box breathing for years. I even train people who come onto our TV show. One of the things about our TV show is we don't just throw people on stage. We give them our $100,000+ of experience to train them to be a good guest on our show.
Yeah.
So they are calm, they're centered, they're thoughtful in what they have to say. So you've upped that level. And one of the things that I've learned from our sessions is not just meditation, but really creating nothing, setting up space so none of the TikTok is happening in my head. And once I'm at like this zero thinking level, then weird magical things, I guess, can occur. I'm not
Yeah.
saying weird, but they're
Yeah.
magical things.
Yeah.
It's like a way that we're now when I clear it, then my listening shifts into what's around me, the energies around me, and they don't have to be physical energies. They have to be just something that I haven't been aware of. That awareness starts peaking up,
Awesome.
and that's one of the takeaways I got with you, Denise.
Awesome. Awesome. So at the end of August, on the 24th, we're going to be starting an 8-week personal CEO energetic program. And if someone is watching this video right now and they're on the fence, should they go into the program? Should they work with me one-on-one? What would you say to them?
I'd say people should definitely not work with you if they just want to have someone heal them. This is not about going to like a chiropractor's office where you go in and you get an adjustment. This is real work. If you're willing to work on yourself and want to be your best person, then yes, people should work with you. But if you're looking to just take a pill and go about the same routine that you've been doing your whole life,
Yeah.
that may or may not work for you. If it works for you, then keep doing it. But if you
Right.
want to improve your life and you're ready to put effort in, then this is definitely for other people. So that's what I would say is you got to be willing to believe. You got to have your
Yeah.
belief system up, right? And
Awesome.
we don't have to have facts that back up every single thing that we do. We just have to feel it in our gut, in our spirit. So if you
Yeah.
feel that is aligned for you and you want to improve your life and you're willing to put some effort in and not just take a magical pill, I'd say Denise will be definite an amazing help. Yeah, amazing.
Awesome. And what has been the most eye-opening working with the energy? What new things have you experienced that you have never experienced before with the energy?
I think really on the totality side, a new peacefulness.
Yeah.
Things can be coming at me, and even things that are critical, like I've got to move fast and get things done, and pandemonium is happening, and I could just be centered and even empathetically feel other people's fear and energy, but not have it affect me. Where
Yes.
before, someone's yelling at me, we got to get this done. It's an emergency. We're going to miss the deadline. The TV show has all this stuff. It's like I could still operate within my own space, and I do it better and more efficiently now.
That's
So when
awesome.
I'm in panic mode, I'm not always thinking about everything I need to think about. When I'm centered, I'm more efficient with my time, and I'm enjoying my time.
Yes.
Even when it's even when it's even when there's pressure, I can enjoy that pressure.
Well, this has been amazing to see you actually relaxing and on vacation and chilling and got nature in the background. So I really do appreciate you being here as we wrap things up because time is valuable. And I want you to get back to that enjoyment mode and really with the people that you're there, enjoying them. Any last words that you want to share?
I guess just stay calm, have faith, and clear your mind. For those that haven't meditated before because they are making up some reason, clear that reason out and just practice meditation. Practice, and you will get better at it. Practice clearing your mind. That's the
Awesome.
biggest takeaway.
Awesome. Well, I really appreciate you being here. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing your words and your wisdom and your time, and go enjoy your vacation. And we'll talk again.
Thank you so much, Denise. Have a
Thank
wonderful
you.
day.
Alrighty. Bye-bye.
Bye.